Hi guys, this is the ABUS 80 Ti/50. It's for titanium. 6-pin padlock. I'll show you the bitting for it. It's just evil bitting there. So you've got low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay, let's give it a go. And to be using the so-called short hook again. This is becoming my favourite tool. Back of the lock, bit of pressure. It's wiggling it out. Just find a binding pin. Pin 5. It's going to a full set. Just dragging it out slowly. Try and find the next binding pin. Can't find one, so I'm going to go on to pin 6 if it's moving. Yep. Go wiggle on 6. Yep, that's set. Pin 3. Sounds like I dropped something. Pin 1. Pin 3. Pin 2. It's not set. We do it again. Here we go. Pin 1 again. There we go. It's open. Guys, this ABUS 80 Ti are the only titanium that's got the 6-pin key to them. As I say, brilliant challenge. Get yourself one. Cheers guys.